Hey guys, it's Mason here with Carns Equipment. Right here we have a brand new 2026 H2 Teryx4 seat. Not the 5 seat, this is the 4 seat. Obviously right up front you're going to see it's got the Fox Live suspension. It has got the beadlock rims. Now this is the Deluxe edition, so we'll have the roof. With that, we're going to come on the inside here. It is going to be equipped with the retractable harnesses, which are really nice, super comfortable too. Probably one of the best seatings, one of the best seating positions, let alone one of the best seats that you're probably going to get in a sports side-by-side, in my opinion. Now, with that, as you've seen, it is a dual screens. You have the dual gauges right in front of you, and then you actually have your Garmin screen right to the right of you, which that is a 10-inch screen. Now with this, you do have 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and diff lock. Rear seats are going to have that retractable harness as well, as you can see here. And right behind it, you're going to see that that is the intercooler for the Supercharger. So this is 250 horses. It is supercharged. It is derived from the Ninja H2 engine, so one of the best engines that's out on the market right now. You cannot get anything better. This thing is truly a beast. I highly advise that you come down at Carns Equipment or give us a call at 814-765-5684.